Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Karrie here. So the next topic is file menus, then that is open option, right? So if we go into the file menu, then we have a open option, right? If I click on open, you guys can see I will get a dialog box here that is open a file, right? So I have a shortcut also, control plus O, right? So if I press control, right, plus then keep pressing control, then press O, and you guys can see the open a file, same dialog box appear in front of me, right? So basic meaning of open a file is a file which we have saved, right, and we want to reopen that, so we use that open option, right? So we have a different option, right? Basically the files within my drive, right? I have that file, I can search that file here, right? Or the file which are shared with me, right, that is also I can open here. A file which I marked starred, right, that I can also edit open here, and the recent file which I have changed, so I will get that file here, right? And that upload, for example, I want to upload a file from my computer and I want to open into the Google Sheets, or sorry, Google Docs, I can do that, right? So first of all we will try with the recent file. So for example, we want to open that file, just double click on that and you guys can see that file into the new tab, right? So this is one option, right? And for example, I want to upload a file from my computer, so go into the file menu, then open option, and go into the upload, then select a file from your device. Device means your computer or your mobile, right? So I am selecting this file, right? So I will open that file and it is uploading, and after uploading it will open in front of me, right? So you guys can see now this was my local file, now it is opening in front of me. So you guys can see, so I can open any file which is available offline, I can do it and I can upload it online as well, right? So this is one of the very beautiful option available into the Google Docs, right? You just need to file and open, click on the open option, and you have several options, right, by which you can open the file which is available into your Google Drive as well, and whatever available into your computer, right? So hope you guys enjoy this video, and I request to the new viewer who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos, and do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, have a very good day.